Welcome to Debit Card Profits Levels. The first thing I want you to know about is that I want you to know that we are going to set you up on your own page in this for free. All members come into Debit Card Profits as free members to start with. And you never are forced to upgrade unless you want to make more money and you can afford to upgrade. All right, got that out of the way. Okay, this page that you're on right here, you can see that there is different information on it. If you look there, okay, the first thing that you will do when you get to this page is click on this link right here. And it opens up a page like this that says, Step 1, go directly to the bottom of this page and click on the icon that looks like this. Click here and take the free tour on that page. You are going to be my affiliate in this program, and that is how I will know who referred you to this page. You just click that and close it out. So let's do that right now. We'll go down to the bottom, and as you can see right here, we click on that link, and we open the page here. I'm going to stop the video. Stop the video right there. But you see, you take a free tour here, and that really, I don't want you joining this program or anything like this unless you really want to make more money with it. My affiliates make $62.50 when somebody does come here and joins the program themselves, and it costs them $200 to get in. With this program, and you find out later on, you pay $125 to me, you pay $25 to my sponsor, and you pay $50 one time for a lifetime membership to the program. So a total of $200. But I don't want you in there. I don't want you, all I want you to do is put your information in here and go to the next page. Click on Start Your Tour. You can close this page out at that time. Okay, we're back on this page again. Now, what I want you to do is click on View Step 2. Okay, now, if you are in an area that can get ClickBank in your area, ClickBank account, or you already have a ClickBank account, you can skip Step 2. But, however, the reason that we do this is because we have double identification on who's referring who in this, because when you sign up for this and you fill out the form down below, you're going to actually put your ClickBank username in there, and that is going to identify you two ways. It's going to identify you here, and it's going to identify you over on the People's program as well. Close that out. Okay, and Step 3, you get on our payroll, because I have to have all this information in order to send you a money order. And as you can see there, it has the ClickBank username that you put right in that form there. You put it all in there. But when you submit this form, and you would submit it right with that link right there, you go to this page right here. And this has upgrades on it. In Step 4, you can choose the level that you'd like to be. you're already a free member in our program and you're registered with us, but you can upgrade anytime that you want. You can bookmark this page and stay on this page, go back to this page whenever you want, and put your information in there. And as you can see right here, I click on level 1 and it opens another window. And for your convenience, we take debit card and credit cards right here. And it's all secure. You can put your information in there and you can upgrade whenever you want, every single level. And as you saw before, the actual levels here goes all the way up to $5,000. You pay and you invest in yourself, and the payout is $4,000, meaning that if somebody comes in and actually upgrades to $4,000, they are qualified for every single level on here, and they can pay whichever one you go up to. You would be qualified for, say you're in at a $2,000 level, and you bring somebody in that's at a $5,000 level. We pay out at the $2,000 level. We're going to pay out $1,600 to you, and the remainder is going to go up to the next person in line below you that is qualified at a higher level until it's exhausted, until everybody's been paid out the money. So that's pretty much what we have here, and I've taken everything out of here, all the fluff and everything, so that all there is to it is making money. Free members get $25. Level 1 gets $50. Level 2 gets $200. Level 2 gets $120. Level 3 gets $200, all the way up to the $400 or $4,000 there when you get there. So I hope this has been helpful, and I hope we get out there happy hunting. We're going to send you an email with our free traffic secret source that you can get free traffic at, and all you need to do is plug in, and I'll help you set that up and everything as well, so that you get that. And one other thing that I wanted to tell you about is that I am actively getting thousands of hits per day to our rotated pages. And then once you become a member, you're going to have those rotated pages. You're gonna get in our co-op, and I use the same traffic source that you're going to use, and we will get you business, we will get you payments and everything using that, and you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. But I hope you do. I hope you support the program. The program will help you make a lot of money, and that's all we need to know at this point. So get started right away. We'll take care of everything else for you, and it usually takes 24 to 48 hours before I get things set up and notify you. So give me some time, because I'm one man working alone on that. All right. Thank you very much, and hope to see you on the inside.